Okay, we're out here at Lake Erie, and we picked up the Lego Catamaran set number 42105, 404 pieces. We're gonna go ahead and unbox this thing at the beach. We're gonna build it at the beach, and then we're gonna go ahead and water test it in Lake Erie. So let's do this thing. All right, so here it is. It's the Lego Technic Catamaran. Again, this is set number 42105. It's ages 8+. It's 404 pieces. And as you can see there, this is a 2-in-1 build. So, well, it says it can float. We're gonna find that out. But either way, this is a 2-in-1 build. So we're gonna build the regular version, which is this right here. However, you can build this bottom race power boat as well, which is pretty cool looking. So if you wanted to swap it up and build the other version, you could do so. So pretty cool. We'll go ahead and open this thing, see what we got inside here. So there's your manual. Set that down. All basic stuff. There's your build. Got a lot of wind out here today, so should be interesting. There you go, there you have it. Okay, and then as far as the box itself, the main pieces, those are your floating devices. Very cool sails, so that'll be awesome. And then you got 1, 2, 3, 4 bags and 2 floats. Not an overly big build, but it looks fun. Whoop. So let's get into it, see what we come up with. Again, we're facing gale force winds out here, so I have no idea how this is going to come out, but we're going to give it a try. Let's do it. So I'm about a little over a quarter of a way through the build, and a nice little storm decides to come in off of Lake Erie. So here I am, hunkered underneath a bush with my Legos still sitting on the rocks. Doing this. I'm not going to stop until this build is done. I will do whatever it takes to get it done and water test it in Lake Erie for your guys' viewing pleasure. So we're gonna keep going. As soon as this rain stops, we're gonna start building again.
right, we are done building it finally, and we do have some sun back out.
So some really cool detail in this catamaran. Got the back rudders on there. The sails are pretty sweet. Everything's really cool. Good color choices as well in the blue and the green on the catamaran. So that is it. It's not an overly complex build, but it is fun. It's unique. And then obviously the main thing is we're gonna see if this actually floats. So let's give this a shot. All right, here we are with the Cleveland Catamaran. We're gonna see if this thing actually floats for those of you who wanna know that useless piece of information. So, here we go. We're gonna set it down in 3. We got some waves out here, so we'll see how it fares. 3, 2, 1, 0. And we do have a floatable Lego set. Floating? Oh, okay. All right, if the water is absolutely completely still, it will float, for those of you who wanted to know that. So, thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell if you want to get more information or see whenever we upload a new clip. And we'll see you next time.